Hi, this video we're going to show about our BYOD M5000 Mini. This is the Mini central controller. So this is the controller itself. And basically on the front panel, we can see right now we have the, this one is going to be the indicators. And we have the IR sensor here, which is for the IR landing. And we have two push buttons here. And then on the side, and we also have the rack ears. And this is the backside panel, which we can see we have the LAN port, which we can use as the PoE, but also can control the UDP or TCP IP, those devices. And here we have like RS-232 or IS-485. And here's going to be two COM port. And also we have the IR, IO relay, and those port. And here's a DC power supply. Okay, so basically this is the Mini 5000 controller unit. Now I'm going to have this unit set up. So basically right now I'm going to use this Mini 5000 and I'm going to control the devices here. So basically I have a DSP. I'm going to use the TCP LAN port controller, and here's my 8-port PoE switch. And then I can use the PoE to power on this M5000 control host. Okay, and here's the code viewer, and I'm going to use the IR for the control. And over here, I also have a dimmer here, which is for the light control. And I'm going to use the RS-485. And also over here, I have a BYOD host, and I'm going to use the RS-232 control. So basically with this central control, I'm going to control the 4 devices. Now I'm going to have the system set up. I will have the LAN cable, which is connected to the control host, and then we can see we get the power. We don't need to use the DC power. Okay, now I'm going to have this one, which is for controlling the dimmer, which is we can just like have it connected to the here directly. And then this is the IR, which is going to control the core viewer, which is connected to the IRA. And then this one is going to be the RS-232, which I'm going to control the BYOD, wireless presentation system. So now I already have the cables all connected. And next one, I'm going to show how can we use the WebGrid for the system programming. Okay, so in the previous video, I showed the system setup, and this video I'm going to show how to use the WebGrid for programming. Basically, right now we can see I'm going to use the central control unit, control the lights by the IS-485, BYOD by the RS-232, and DSP by the UDP, and the code view by the IR. And we can just like control the device right now, and we can see how it works. Right now I'm going to control the lights, like right. This one is for the brightness change. Like you can have like different lights off, 50% brightness and 100% brightness. And over here we have the DSP control, and this one we can control the only the sound. Like right now I'm going to have the sound is showing up. Right. Can mute the sound, unmute. So basically this is for the DSP. And also for the BYOD. BYOD I can have the HDMI shown back to the home page. Or show the HDMI, which is from this laptop over here. I have an HDMI cable connected to the BYOD. And then the HDMI off, and bring up my PC by the USB dongle. And the code view, and code view is over here, which will be controlled by the IR. So I'm going to control the input selections. So HDMI input 1, we can see the indicator on the front panel. Input 2, input 3, and input 4. Okay, so this one is basically for the code view controlled by the IR. And this one is the WebGrid control UI. We also can have the application for the system control as well. Okay, So next video, I'm going to show you how can we do the programming things like that. Okay.